How much should you actually spend on a diesel air heater? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others return the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Vever 8 kW Diesel Heater All-in-One. The Vever 8 kW diesel heater caught my attention right away with its sleek design and Bluetooth app control feature, priced at $116.90. If you want a reliable heater that combines convenience and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This heater boasts an impressive 8 kilowatts output, perfect for heating spaces up to 269 square feet in just 10 minutes, so you won't be freezing while waiting for warmth. The automatic altitude compensation is a nice touch, allowing it to function well at altitudes up to 18,045 feet. Plus, the Bluetooth control means you can preheat your space from a distance of up to 98 feet, offering you the ease of warming up your vehicle or cabin without stepping outside in the cold. Now, some people complained about the lack of a detailed installation guide. Here's the thing though, for those of you who are comfortable with DIY setups, this isn't a deal breaker. Just a little patience, and you'll be all set. This is perfect for you if you're into outdoor adventures or need reliable heating for your vehicle. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional installation process. For the price and features, it really delivers on value. Now, if the installation aspect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Vever 8 kW Diesel Heater with 10L Fuel Tank. Next up is another Vever model, the 8 kW diesel heater with a 10L fuel tank, priced at $107.92. If you're looking for extended heating without constant refueling, this is definitely worth considering. This heater also supports spaces up to 269 square feet and can run for up to 16 hours on a single tank. That's crucial if you're on a long trip or camping in colder conditions. With automatic altitude adjustment and Bluetooth app control, you're looking at flexibility and convenience. You can remotely adjust the temperature between 46 and 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your comfort at all times. Now, some users have pointed out that the remote control range isn't always reliable in very cold temperatures. Here's the thing though, it's still a solid option if you use the app, which works seamlessly even from a distance. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free heater for camping or long road trips. Skip this if you're looking for something that performs well in extreme cold. It's a great value for its capacity and features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Vever 12V All-in-One Diesel Heater. Now let's check out the Vever 12V All-in-One Diesel Heater. It's priced at $136.90 and offers a compact design with remote control functionality. If you want a portable option that heats quickly, this is a solid choice. This model also delivers 8 kilowatts of power and can heat spaces up to 269 square feet in a flash. What really stands out is its quick 10-minute heating capability and the app control feature that allows you to manage it from up to 98 feet away. You can even adjust the temperature to your liking, which is a game changer when you're trying to stay comfortable. However, a few users mention the weight of 22.4 pounds, making it less portable than expected for some. But honestly, if you're using it primarily in a vehicle or a fixed location, it's well worth the trade-off for the power it delivers. This is perfect for you if you want something quick and efficient for your RV or truck. Skip this if you need something super lightweight for extensive travel. It's a good investment for the features you get. Now, if the weight is a concern for you, let's look at a model that focuses on ease of installation. Product number 4, Vever 8 kW Diesel Heater with CO Alarm. Moving on, we have the Vever 8 kW Diesel Heater with a CO Alarm, priced at $168.90. If safety is your top priority, you want to hear about this one. This heater stands out with its built-in CO alarm that constantly monitors carbon monoxide levels, providing alerts or auto shut-off when necessary. That's crucial for peace of mind during cold nights. It also operates quietly at around 75 dB, ensuring you won't be disturbed while you sleep. Plus, its compatibility with both 12V and 24V systems means you can use it in various settings, from vehicles to cabins. Some users found the setup a bit complicated, especially with multiple wiring options. But I'll be real with you. Once you get the hang of it, the flexibility you gain is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about safety in your heating solution. Skip this if you prefer a simpler installation process. It's a valuable addition for anyone concerned about carbon monoxide exposure. Now, if you're looking for something even more adaptable, the last product on my list might fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5, Gear Lasso 8 kW Diesel Heater. Last but not least is the Gear Lasso 8 kW Diesel Heater, priced at $121.99. This unit boasts versatility with its tri-mode control system. If you want a lot of control over your heating experience, this is worth a look. The Gear Lasso heater allows you to control it via Bluetooth, a remote, or an LCD display, making it super user-friendly. It can heat spaces up to 269 square feet in under 10 minutes and operates efficiently, consuming only 0.15 to 0.45 L/H of diesel. With AI-driven thermostatic control, it offers good safety features, giving you peace of mind against overheating. However, some users noted that the Bluetooth connection could be a bit finicky at times. But here's the thing, if you have the remote or LCD to rely on, it doesn't take away much from its overall performance. This is perfect for you if you want maximum control in various environments, from RVs to garages. Skip this if you're looking for something with a more straightforward control system. It's competitively priced given its features and performance. So, to wrap it up, we have the Weber 8 kW Diesel Heater all-in-one, perfect for outdoor adventures. The Weber 8 kW Diesel Heater with a 10L tank, great for long trips. The Weber 12V all-in-one Diesel Heater, quick and efficient. The Weber 8 kW with CO, alarm, focused on safety. And lastly, the Gear Lasso 8 kW, which offers versatile control options. Each has its strengths, so it just depends on what you need most.